If you have been searching for a way to crank out high-quality videos without spending weeks learning complicated editing software, you have landed on the right video. Today, I am doing a deep dive into VideoExpress AI to answer the big question. Is this actually the best AI video maker on the market, or is it just more hype? Here is my honest review. I have tested a lot of AI tools, and usually you have to choose between quality and speed. However, VideoExpress AI genuinely surprised me. The interface is incredibly intuitive, making it perfect for beginners, marketers, or business owners who need professional content fast. It takes the heavy lifting out of the editing process, allowing you to turn simple text or basic ideas into polished videos in minutes. While no tool is absolutely perfect, if your goal is efficiency and engagement, this software is a powerhouse. But I am not just here to talk about features. I know that premium software can get expensive, and that is why I did some digging. I managed to secure a VideoExpress AI coupon code that is 100% working right now. You do not want to pay full price when you can get the exact same features for significantly less. If you click the link I have placed in the description or the pinned comment, you can apply this code to unlock a huge discount. This isn't just a tiny percentage off. It is a massive deal that makes trying out this tool a no-brainer. So, if you are ready to level up your video creation game without breaking the bank, go grab that code now before it expires. Thanks for listening and happy creating.